Hi, I'm Jeff Luty, the window expert. Today I've got my friend, Chuck Frank.
Hey, Jeff,
with
how's it going?
Sierra Pacific Windows and Doors. We're in Las Vegas at the International Builder Show 2024. This is not new to you, but there's some new exciting news about this Aspen series casement. Tell me more.
So, due to the casement, we're adding a 2 1/4 frame, overall jam depth,
Okay.
sash depth, and then we're also being able to go to an oversized casement.
Big. Okay, so this is not as big as you go. This is
No.
this is what they could fit in the truck.
Right.
Okay, how big can you go on this, Chuck?
We're doing a 38
wide?
38 wide by 96 tall.
By
So-
96 tall.
So almost the door.
That's an 8-foot door.
Yes.
Yeah, because a door is what, 36 by 8 feet
by
or
8 feet,
96,
yeah.
and you can do that in a casement.
In a casement window.
Okay, and it doesn't blow off the hinge, or
No.
okay.
And the way we achieve that, we got that 2 1/4 frame, and then we're also using a very nice, robust hardware.
Can I see that? Wait! Before you open it, hold on. What is this lever right here?
So this is the locking mechanism that engages the lock.
Oh, it's integrated into the lock, so it's not over here somewhere.
No, sir.
Now I've got a nicer, cleaner look, a nicer profile here.
Nice
Okay.
look.
Wow, that opens nicely. So Chuck, this hardware is going to withstand, a 38 wide, because sticking out,
So
that it's going to get pretty heavy.
it is a very robust sash, and so therefore we have to have an extra long handle arm here,
Okay.
which allows us to open up all the way and also carry the weight of this sash.
Right,
because we're
I was
getting
gonna say,
bigger.
it is heavier. Yeah. Now, do you make this in a wash hinge, like where you can actually clean both sides? Is that what this is here?
This is a wash hinge.
Okay.
We can adjust that. We also do a butt hinge on our bigger
Okay.
casement windows to allow for that weight of that
Okay,
bigger
so
sash.
one option is this hinge right here.
Yep.
Which means if I open it all the way, right,
Yep.
I can reach out here as long as I got 38-inch
Yep.
arms
Right.
and clean the inside and the out.
Sure.
But when I get to bigger sizes, you don't use this hinge anymore. You
Yeah,
go to
we
the
have-
hinge right on the end.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's-
Is that for strength?
Based on size of what we need to do.
Okay. But if let's say I had the one with a butt hinge and the one with the other hinge, would I see the difference from the inside, or do they look the same on the inside?
Yeah, you would be a little bit tighter here.
Be a little bit tighter. Okay. So what you want to do is go to a showroom, look at this in detail to make sure that you're getting exactly what you want, right? So how many colors on this, Chuck?
So we're at 60 plus colors. We're adding 6 exterior colors
Okay.
with 6 interior colors
Okay.
here at the show.
So if you don't have their color, that's something pretty unique, right?
Yeah.
Nobody else is going to have it either.
But if you want a pink window
Yeah.
on the exterior, we'll give you a pink window.
How do you do that?
So we just use it as a custom color option.
So you do a custom color.
Yeah, no
Do a setup
problem.
fee, some kind of a charge for that, and then you make my
Flat rate
windows.
fee, and then we make the windows.
And these are all AMA 2605 powder coat.
Yeah, 2605 powder coat.
Okay.
Gives us a 30-year warranty with this product.
All right, very durable, very nice.
Yep.
You know what I like about it too, just one last thought on this is, this horizontal line you guys have done, it blends so nicely from this part to that part. A lot of windows don't have that. It just has a really nice, crisp, clean look to it. Do you agree?
Yes. Another neat feature that you're really not seeing because we don't have it in the window, but this comes with automatic flex screen.
So standard, you have a flex screen with
Flex
it?
screen with this.
Wow, flex screen's pretty cool. And that actually helps conceal as well, because it'll go way deep into this pocket, won't it?
Right.
It's almost invisible at that
It's in
point.
here.
Okay, great. Chuck, this is a great window.
Thank you,
Thanks for
Jeff.
talking to me. Really appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
If you're looking for a great window company, check out thewindowexperts.com. Down below, I'll have a link as well to where you can find some more information about Chuck's products. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll talk to you again real soon.